Is how you can remove text from video without a blur. Now I'll be using CapCut for this. You can also use CapCut for this. Now before moving on to the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like the video at the end. Now let's just start. Now let me open my CapCut, and here you can see I have a video that has a text on it. Let me just edit it a bit more. There you go. As you can see, I have a text. Now what you'll need to do is take a screenshot. Now crop it to your to this till it fits the frame, and then press on done. Save it to your photos, and then go to Snap Edit. After you go to Snap Edit, you need to click on Remove Objects, and then import the photo that you've just screenshot. Now here you need to use the marker on the text. Make sure you use it well, and after you've done so, click on Remove, and then it will be removed. Now what you will need to do is press on Done and then save it. Now after you've saved it, what you need to do is you need to go back to CapCut, press on the video, and then press on Overlay. Now you need to add the photo that you've just selected, that you've just saved, and add it. Now just pull it till you need it. Now make sure that you've made it so that it fits the screen, and now what you need to do is you need to mask it. Now scroll down till you find the mask option, and then choose the circle one. Now be sure that you fit it, be sure that you make it exactly on the size of your text. Now press on Done. Now as you can see, my text is removed. There is no blur, but there will be a little changes in the shading. So be sure that you use a very flat background while you're using this trick, and you should be good to go. So thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video.